Hey everybody, I'm Dan. Let's get right to it. Behind me you can see our garage door. It's a two-car garage. So it's a two-car garage door. It's 16 feet wide and it's 8 feet high. And you can see we've got two secure door aluminum garage door braces attached here. Now this opening is the biggest opening in our house. And this garage door itself is rated for 160 miles an hour here in Southwest Florida on the West Coast. If this were to blow in, the pressure would get so great in this garage, it could push up through the attic and possibly blow our roof off. And we don't want to do that. So we decided to bolster the door just in case. And that's why we bought these two braces. So stay tuned. We're going to show you how we store these things and how we deploy them and how quickly we can turn our regular garage and you can turn your garage into a storm-proof fortress. All right, here in the corner, we have our two aluminum braces staged. They hang from a hook, a double hook that's right up on the ceiling there. And all we do is we simply take them out and put them into place. And I'm going to demonstrate that right now. Now what I'm going to do is take the number 3 Phillips screws out of the 4 3/8 anchors. I'm going to set the bottom of the braces and then I'll work through and put the top hinge sections together. Okay, I've already turned off the garage door and I've already locked the 2 locks. Now all that remains to be done is to just stitch these things together. We've got 2 dummy garage door hinges on the bottom of each of the left and right garage door styles. That allows us to take this very stiff door and make it even stiffer by putting an extra set of brackets on there. Then what we do is we screw into each of the 4 remaining hinges, and we'll show you how we do that on each side. And that's it. So I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of the others. We'll do a time lapse. That finishes the first brace. Now I'm going to do the next brace. There it is. And that's how you turn a 16-foot wide opening from a possible danger zone into a very safe zone. So you can take your working garage and you can also turn it into a fortress. Stay tuned on the next video where we'll talk about how you can actually assemble one of these and install it in your garage door area. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you again.